for this recipe, I'm using two derica of beans. That is 10 cups of beans. And this is the derica I'm talking about, okay? So this is the way we measure it, okay? 2 of these cups. So that's approximately 10 cups of beans. And I'll be soaking this for 5 minutes, okay? Then I'll proceed in peeling the beans. I'm actually going to be using this for 2 recipes. I'm making akara and moi moi, okay? So stay tuned, okay? Then onwards from here, I guess you have to just learn with your eye while I'm peeling the beans, okay? Because I might not be talking when I'm peeling the beans. It's a very rigorous and tiring process. So let's see how it goes, okay? And we still have some left. It's okay. I'm tired already. This is how far I can go. Okay, I'll quickly transfer this into this plastic. Okay, and once I'm done transferring that, I'll be back.